Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a look at this Redarc Industrial Pure Sine Wave 400 watt inverter. This 400 watt inverter is going to let you use appliances and devices wherever the road may take you. This 12 volt inverter is going to change your DC output from your RV batteries into AC power so you can plug in your tools and appliances. And using that pure sine wave technology, it's going to replicate your household AC power, creating clean power with low distortion. And what that means is the power is going to be safe and efficient and perfect for your more sensitive electronics like your HDTVs or computers. So you can use those items with confidence when you plug into this inverter. This inverter can generate 800 starting watts and 400 running watts, which is a great fit for small appliances and electronics. And just to go over some of the features that this has here, we have our power switch, and the lower part here of the switch indicates when you are going to use this with the remote that is sold separately. You would just move that switch down to that remote part of the switch. So you have your power switch, you have your status light that's going to indicate input voltage level, output load level, and fault conditions. And then of course right here in the center we have two GFCI outlets for your AC connections. And then right here we have function switches that can let you select different frequencies, 50 hertz and 60 hertz. And these switches can also turn the power saver on and off. Looking at the other side here, we have our positive and negative DC input terminals that are going to connect to your batteries, and then a port for a flush mount remote from Redarc that is sold separately. Now this system does include a number of safety features. It offers protection from over and under voltage, overloading and overcurrent. And this inverter also uses a heat sink process to protect from extreme temperatures, and an internal cooling fan that's going to remove excess heat from the unit. For additional safety, installing a fuse between the battery bank and the inverter is going to protect your equipment from power surges. And speaking of power, the rated power, again, the running rated power output is 400 watts, and the starting surge power output is 800 watts. The voltage, the maximum power is going to be 12 volts DC, and the input is going to be from 10 to 16 VDC, and then the output is going to be 100 to 120 VAC. This has an operating temperature operating range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and a storage temperature range from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. This is lightweight. It weighs almost 3 pounds, a little bit under that. And this, as you can see, features a slim profile design. I'm going to go ahead and retrieve my ruler here real quick just to give you some overall measurements. So beginning with the length of just the unit itself, as you can see, we are sitting pretty close to 7 3/8 inches long. And then the width, and I'm going to be measuring here at the widest points where we have our mounting holes. Looks like at the widest point we're almost 6 inches, probably more precise to say right at 5 15/16 inches wide. And then looking at the height or the thickness, we are sitting pretty close to 2.5 inches. Now I did measure these mounting holes earlier, and from center to center going lengthwise, we were sitting right at 4 5/8 inches. And then again, center to center at the width, we're sitting right at 5 3/8 inches on those mounting holes. So the inverter is going to mount inside of your RV in a dry location with plenty of ventilation. and it should be installed in close proximity to your battery bank, but not in the same compartment. And the DC terminals are wired to the battery bank. Ring terminals are included, along with a booklet here of some great instructions on this inverter and how to operate it. And I mentioned the remote for the Redarc Pure Sine Wave inverters, and we do carry that here at etrailer.com, and if that's something you're interested in checking out, I am including our item number to that remote on your screen, and you can just take the item number and put it in the search field here at our website, and it'll take you to that remote. Finally, I want to mention that this is compatible with the Redarc Red Vision Vehicle Management System. That allows you to control multiple onboard devices in your RV, so you can turn lights on, turn on your inverter, water pumps, and electric steps on and off. So it also provides you with the ability to monitor water levels and temperatures. That is something we do carry here at eTrailer as well, and I am including our item number to that vehicle management system. Well, that's going to conclude our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.